Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to properly pair your Fivero Asioma Pro RL pedals with your GARMIN Edge 540. So once you have installed the pedals on your bicycle, before you pair them with GARMIN Edge, you need to pair them with your smartphone to calibrate them to the zero value, basically, so that then you'll be able to recalibrate them using your Edge device. So first of all, we're gonna need to grab our smartphone and we're gonna need to install the Fivero Asioma application on it. Let me adjust the focus. Okay, now as you can see, I already have this application installed, so I'm just gonna have to open it. And now here we'll see two different options. One says I have a new Assioma, and we need to select this one if we are yet installing the pedals, but from what you can see, the pedals are already there. So we're gonna need to select the second one. In such case, my Assioma is already active. And then we're gonna have to pair the pedals with the smartphone. Now, for our smartphone to be able to find them, we're gonna need to rotate the cranks once. And then for skipping the next step, I also recommend placing them, well, not placing, but leaving them like this. So one pedal is facing 6 o'clock and the other one is facing 12 o'clock. So basically place them vertically so we can calibrate them as well. Okay, now let's return to our smartphone and let's select our pedals right here and tap next. Okay, and now to calibrate them, we're gonna have to select settings right here, then go to calibration. Now, as you can see, some extra steps are making sure that our bicycle stands on a flat surface, that nothing is currently in contact with our pedals. And so the last one is what I told you, is that our pedals have to stand vertically. So when you're ready, just tap start calibration and wait for the calibration to finish. Okay. And now we can get our hands on the Edge 540. So here we have it. I think I'm gonna need to readjust the focus for this one as well. Okay, now what we need to do here is go to the control center, then press Options key, scroll down to Sensors, select Sensors, and then we're gonna have to add a new one. So select Add Sensor, and we're looking for the power sensor. Okay. Now, once again, we're gonna need to rotate our pedals. Oops. And once again, try leaving them in this position so we can recalibrate them. Okay, so now we see our sensor. Mine says 8983, so let's select it and wait until it's connected. Now to make sure of your ANT Plus ID and that you are trying to connect the correct one, you're gonna have to check the box, and the ANT ID can be found right here on the back side of your pedal box. Okay, so from what I can see, the sensor is already connected. Let's tap OK. Now to calibrate the pedals, once again, we have to fulfill all the previously mentioned conditions. Select our, I did the wrong thing. Let's return back to our sensors. Now we can add some custom data screens. If you want to do this right now, click OK. Otherwise, to do it later, just click cancel. Now let's go to our power sensor and select it. And now to calibrate it, we're gonna have to scroll down to calibrate. Okay. Click start when you're ready, and then wait for the calibration process to be finished. Great. And that's basically it. So now your pedals are ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.